Happy Friday, my friends, and welcome back to another healthcare non-phone work from home job lead. I'm really hoping that y'all all enjoy the upcoming weekend. But real quickly, before we get into this job lead, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you are subscribed so you never miss another upload from me. But rolling right into the weekend, we have Virta Healthcare hiring a part-time administrative support specialist. And it does note down here, this is a remote work opportunity. This is 100% work from home, United States, and I did not see any state restrictions listed. But they are specifically looking for someone to work with team members through Zendesk and Salesforce queuing systems to review, upload, and transcribe lab submissions, provide lab orders, escalate billing inquiries, and various other requests. You'll help execute manual checks using existing processes and tools to make sure that their patients are eligible for treatment and resolve escalations. You'll follow established processes while providing feedback for improvements, and you'll assist with tasks as needed to support a larger patient support. So this is all done through online work queues. Now it does look like they will train because it says within your first 90 days you will be expected to do the following: understand the Virta patient journey, become familiar with their applications used to perform their daily task, and learn the workflows. They are looking for someone specifically part-time to work between 20 and 30 hours a week. It does say you need to be available to work over on the weekends as needed. Somebody who has strong and effective communication skills, someone who has experience and comfort using multiple digital tools and systems, so someone who can multitask and learn new technology quickly, someone who has high attention to detail and the ability to think critically and be data-driven. So this does not require any college degree. And they are looking for someone who puts people first. Take care of yourself, your peers, and the patient. So they want someone who is caring. Now, unfortunately, the pay for this position is not listed, probably because that is going to be dependent on your location and experience. You would have to ask the pay at the time of the interview. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.